smash you into next week.
I'm busy next week. I mean, I could reschedule, but I...
Pathetic. Even with all this help, you still couldn't defeat Sonic.
It's happening. Shadow has joined Team Eggman. I'm geeking out here. Need any help, Shadow? Okay, you got this one. Oh, I just missed you. Allow me to... okay, you just tag me in when you're ready.
Out of the way, you buffoon.
Excuse me, I'm with Shadow.
Hey, we worked all day on that! Your shoddy craftsmanship brings shame on all hedgehog kind. And for that, you shall perish.
We did it! Sonic was defeated by Team Eggman! Victory selfie!
You fool! I had him just where I wanted him.
Sorry, that one's on me, Shadow. I forgot to turn off the flash. Pig looks great, though, if it's any consolation.
Enough! How's a guy supposed to destroy his foes with dolts like you wandering around? We'll fight again soon, Sonic, but next time on my terms.
Yeah! Great job, everybody!
We may not be able to build a bookcase, but we sure as heck could clobber some creeps. Speaking of which...
And now, guys, let's not point fingers about who's to blame for this little scuffle. Oh! Oh! Ow! Hey!
What a swell adventure! I sure hope there's more next year.
Just think of all the hundreds more stories to be told using the same 8 characters and 4 locations. The possibilities are limitless.
Just to be on the safe side, maybe we should start an internet petition.
Quit it!